What is going on, everybody? So in today's video, we're gonna be installing this new Sherpa roof rack that I finally got in the mail after 3 months. So stick around and you can see how I put this thing together. All right, and let's start the video. So as of right now, I'm just gonna remove the light bar and just move it all the way down there. I'll figure out the wiring situation later. For everything else, it's pretty easy. It's just these Torx screws. Pop them off, should be good to go. And for anyone doing this at home, it's a T40 Torx, all right? Can't really use this. Rooftop tent's in the way. I don't know if I'm here. Oh shit.
How did you just do that? How did you just do that? Oh my god, bro. That was sketchy as fuck. That was so sketchy.
Alright, now that's some of the roof rack. Okay, it is the next day. It rained yesterday. I'm not sure we got that in the video. Also, this camera died, so I switched to GoPro, but I got this camera back. I really need to get extra batteries. But yeah, it's the next day, and I actually got contacts. Yeah, feels really weird. I tried contacts like years back, and I didn't like them. Also because I kind of made up my prescription. Not the best idea in the world. But yeah, I actually got a prescription to my eyes. These are the trial pairs, and so far so good. I can actually see, so that's a good thing. But nonetheless, we're not here to talk about my prescription. Let's talk about what we're doing today. Attack this front wind fairing. So this goes right across there. I am running into an issue because I'm missing one of the end channel nuts. And I've been looking all over for it and I can't find it. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put 2 on each side and just 1 in the middle. If I can find the other one, then I'll put the other one in. If you guys do have this kit and you're using my videos as a tutorial, which I wouldn't if I were you, Sherpa has a great video on how to do it, better explanation and pictures. But I would take this and line everything up so that when you actually put this on, it's much easier. So we have that there, that there, that. That there and that there, all right? Just pop that on. And this is a 4mm. This goes in the front. All right. So the top right here is supposed to have double bar.
So, what do you guys think? I'm not the best artist, and I'm horrible at coloring and painting, as you can see. Kind of added a little depth side there. Not the best job ever, but I thought it'd be cool to give a little touch to this tree logo they have here. So, some gold accent. But hey, I can say that I did that. So all I got left to do for this top is I'm actually gonna put a storage box at the top and I'm gonna get a new light. This one's way too wide, and honestly, it's pretty big. So I plan on getting a slim 30 or 40 inch LED light bar here, and I got a Roam storage box coming in the mail. So then that'll probably be the next video or the video after that. But on that note, that's all I have for today's video. I would appreciate if you guys like, comment, or subscribe if you'd like to. If you don't like the video, hit the thumbs down. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. I just like some feedback some way or another. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.